Hello everyone, welcome to episode 2 of the Daily Target series. Today's target is this, which seems to be an easy one. Like, according to the looks, it will take, I think, 7 divs to make it. And it can be made in multiple ways as a plus factor. So, first of all, I'll just give some property to our respected body, and the background color is going to be hashtag A9C4H2. Let's instead do this. Why isn't it giving the color? Duh. Okay. The problem is my spelling of background. I've been making quite a lot of mistakes lately. So let's first make all the divs that we'll need. So I'll name it, like, let's be literal. First, I'll make 5 divs like this. So copy it. Okay, so let's make 5 divs. Second, third, fourth, and then fifth. And let's give them a common name also. So I'll name it dark because it just has a darker color than rest of them. Let's copy it. Okay, so now we also need to make 2 more divs which are inside this. So I'll just, okay. And I'll name them inner for an obvious reason that it is inside other div. And again, as we did in the previous episode, we'll just simply copy and paste it in the last one because they are contained inside another div, so we can give them the same properties and there wouldn't be any problem in that. Now I'm going to do one thing, like this is a little bit of experimentation, but let's see how it goes. So display flex, and then comes justify content center. Like I haven't tried today that how I can make it, because I thought like I should straight away show you how I would have done it in first try. So here we'll write dark, and I'll give it, you can say, first I'll give the background color, and the background color is, okay, not A1, it's 2D696F. You can't see it because obviously we haven't even given them some sizes. So let's give it for first and second. No, not second, fifth. Because they'll have the same size. And I'll give it a width of 100 pixel. Like I know I have to increase it and maybe 30 pixel. Wait, I have to reverse them. So height, wait, I had to write width here. And now here we have to write height. And I think it is approximately that value only. Now we have to give the second and fourth the same property. So second, like height should be increased. I'll just increase the height first. Also, as I'm using display flex though, so there shouldn't be any problem in such as overlapping or something. So here height would be, I would give 150 pixel for now, and width, like we would be changing it later on. And we have to add another div, like the property is for the third. So it has to be a square. So I'll just give it a width of 60 pixels and also height of 60 pixels. Like, is it accurately? No, it has to be smaller. I'll first go for changing the height. Is it now correct? Yeah, now it's correct. So here we have to do 50. Yeah. So the width is going to be 50 everywhere. So now the only thing we have to do is increase the height here, which I think would be 250. Not sure. Yeah, it's 250. And now it's turn for the inner. So inner, and first we have to give it some background color. And the background color has to be A9 C4 82 semicolon, and then we have to give it some width and height. The width and height would be like, one thing I'm going to do is, I know that their width and height are going to be same, so this. And for the first and fifth, I'll just simply do display flex align items center. And as you can see that we did it in such a simple way, like, and it is an exact replica. The other way we could have done is that we could have created 7 divs in such a way, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and we would have just arranged it using position absolute. Or the other way we could have done is created a big div and then created these, like first create a big rectangle, or you can say square, then we would have arranged these as using the position absolute. But I found this as the simplest way, and if you go in difference, you can see there is no difference. It's an exact replica. So let's run the submit, and it would be 100%, and the score would be 600 for sure. As you can see, it is like they have given even a higher score, like 600.01. Mostly it is given 600, but this is an exact replica. So that's it for today's video. I know it is too short as usual videos, but what can I do? Like, this has to be done in the simplest way possible according to me, and I did it in the simplest one. Also, as a reminder, in tomorrow's video you would be watching in tomorrow's video, you would be seeing only the linear search algorithm in C language, because I thought that we should do it in different parts. So this Sunday you would be watching linear search algorithm, and on the next Sunday you would be watching the binary search algorithm, because I would just add some theory so that it is as clear as possible for you, because it is going to be useful in the exams. Most probably it could be a question. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.